here in the West Loop on Randolph Street, and Randolph Street's also known as Restaurant Row because all the hottest and newest restaurants are constantly opening right on Randolph Street.
The boundaries of the West Loop are going to be Grand to the north, Ashton to the west, Eisenhower Expressway to the south, and the river to the east. The West Loop is one of the hottest neighborhoods in the city. It's considered the tech hub of Chicago, with companies like Google and other local tech companies coming into the neighborhood, as well as other businesses such as Soho House behind us.
The types of real estate you can expect to find in the West Loop are old warehouses that are converted to lofts and boutique mid-rise buildings that have those traditional modern layouts.